Namo Buddha and greetings to Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Culture Minister Prahlad Patel ji, the Venerable Mahasanghas and dear brothers and sisters from across the world who have joined today online for the historic virtual Vesak Buddha Purnima Divas celebration 2020 to commemorate the triple blessed day of our Lord Buddha's birth, enlightenment and Mahaparinirvana. We are gathered here from all corners of the world virtually to celebrate the day as one big global family like one world. I am feeling truly blessed to be in the company of supreme heads of the Sanghas of Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Vietnam, Cambodia, Bangladesh, Laos, Korea, China, Mongolia, Russia, Vietnam, Hong Kong, US, Europe, Uganda, Kenya, South Africa, the Tibetan Sangha and India. I believe it is a true manifestation of Vasudev Kutumbakam, the ancient Indian ethos in Sanskrit meaning the whole world is one family. For the first time, we are witnessing simultaneous live ceremonies and prayers from Lumbini, the land of Buddha's birth, from Bodh Gaya, the very site of his enlightened awakening, under the Bodhi tree, Sarnath, the site of Dhammachakka Pavatan, the first teaching, and Kushinagar, the sacred site of his Mahaparinirvana. Government of India under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji had taken the initiative in 2015 to organize Buddha Purnima as national celebration. Since then, under the aegis of the Ministry of Culture, International Buddhist Confederation had been organizing the event in a grand manner every year. The virtual Vesak Buddha Purnima celebration by IBC under the current trying circumstances is highly commendable. As the whole world is grappling with the unprecedented crisis of pandemic, this day also provide us opportunity to reflect upon the individual and collective conduct and consciousness, especially in the context of interdependent nature, welfare of all sentient beings, compassion and respect of nature and Mother Earth. We are also dedicating this Vesak Buddha Purnima as Global Prayer Week to honor the victims of COVID-19 across the world and all the medical professionals and first responders standing in the front line of humanity in our fight against this pandemic. In the end, I wish to congratulate the International Buddhist Confederation and all its office bearers, especially the Secretary General Venerable Dr. Dhammapiyaji, for coming up with this noble idea of celebrating the day virtually. In the end, I join you all in taking the refuge in the blessings of the Triple Gem Sarva Mangalam. Thank you. Namaste.